Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Stephanie Bradberry here, founder, owner of Stephanie J. Bradberry, LLC, formerly known as Naturally Fit and Well. And I'm here to do a follow-up because there are a lot of questions about the face mask, and the last video I did really was just like super quick to get some information out there, and hopefully I don't forget too many things this time around, but here we go. Gonna jump right into it because I got to get to sewing and making some more blends. So I'm going to demonstrate with a mask. This one, when you look at the pricing and I say, two fabrics for the front, this is what I mean because I have a white fabric here and then I have one that I've cut out from another piece of fabric, and then I have, the remaining portion of the white background to this. So I'm going to demonstrate again how up here you can see this better than the other video that I did, but this is the pocket that contains the piping that helps it grip to your nose. Of course, the elastic bands. Technically, I guess if you really wanted to, you could make the mask reversible as well. So you're kind of getting a twofer in there. These are able to be machine washed and dried. I would recommend that after it comes out the dryer that you take an iron on a low setting and repress the seams in it to keep it nice and crisp, or make sure that you're putting fabric over it as well so that if you do have a lighter fabric and you haven't cleaned your iron in a while, that you can make sure that you don't transfer any dirt or anything like that to your new fabric. Sorry about that. Kumunibame, which is my Robo Dwarf hamster, is over there making a lot of noise. Okay, I need to give him a treat of a carrot real soon. So back to the topic. So I'm going to demonstrate again how you put this over your mask, how over your ears, the mask over your face, and how you can actually tighten it if you feel as though this is too loose. I didn't do that the last time around, and I'm also going to talk about some other details that go along with your mask. So you put it on. Of course, I'm one of those fabulous people that wears glasses and, you deal with the fogging up. I pull it down. Oh, surprise, look at that. And again, it totally covers everything. There are some that I make with a some that I make with a double seam, and that really kind of seals things in and creates like a super barrier. Now, if you want to tighten it because you feel as though this is too loose, you simply put it back up over your nose, pull that down, and then you will take it, loop it, and put it back over your ear like so. And sometimes you can just do one side. You can do both sides if you need extra tightness, and it's gonna stay in place for you. So I answered the questions about washing it. Totally fine doing that. Oh, and then also in terms of cleaning it, if let's say you're going from job site to job site or something like that, and you obviously don't have time to throw it in the washing machine and dryer, I do have a disinfectant spray that I've made. It features 7 essential oils that are antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial, a whole mix in there. It also has oregano leaves in there. You'll see it kind of floating around. And so that means this gets stronger over time because those oregano leaves are constantly infusing in this particular blend. I'll spray it for you. I don't know if that'll do anything for you on that end, but there you go. It's a fine mist. You can use this on just misting the room, your linens, your clothes, obviously your face mask. If you get the combo of these, you do save $1 on the disinfectant spray. You can also use this on your skin. Just be careful because there are some citrus-based essential oils in here, and that can cause photosensitivity if you're out in the sun. So just be mindful of that. Of course, avoid contact with eyes. All that stuff is on the back ingredient label that has all the herbs that are in there with their Latin names in case you have any allergies or sensitivities. I think I covered all those things. I'll go over pricing and all of that on my social media. So please make sure that you visit www.bradberryblends.com. Follow me on social media, YouTube and Instagram at Stephanie J. Bradberry, and Facebook. The name is still Naturally Fit and Well and then you can also do the @ symbol Bradberry Blends for that. Still in a transition of moving that social media over. So I hope that I answered some more of your questions. I'm going to get back to blending. Sorry about all the glare back here, but it is super morning time. And I just wanted to take time to chat with you and also thank you for all of the inquiries, all of the custom orders and the deliveries. I have fun chatting with you guys, even though they're social distancing. So having a blast doing all of this for you, and I will see you soon. Ciao matane.